Nowhere within international law are parking tickets explicitly mentioned. However, within the United Nations Declaration of Human Rights, there appears to be an article which Ottawa City Bylaw infringes upon. According to Article 11 of the United Nations Human Rights Declaration, everyone charged with a penal offense has a right to be presumed innocent until proved guilty according to public trial at which he has had all the guarantees necessary for his defense. When you are given a parking ticket, it is presumed that you have in fact infracted on the parking bylaw, and the city in which you live expects payment within a set period, or you are open to additional financial consequences. While you have the option to fight the ticket in a trial setting, your right to notify the government of your want to do so lasts only 15 days. Unlike a criminal charge, where the defendant has the right to due process before a sentence is decided on, your guilt is presumed and your fine is already set before you have had the chance to rebut the claim made against you. In my opinion, this infringes on Article 11 of the UN's Declaration of Human Rights. While not a criminal offense, parking tickets still impart financial loss on an individual. The consequences of not paying them can become criminal in nature. I believe that the officer who issues the ticket should be responsible for collecting evidence to support the claim. Furthermore, before a fine is officially issued and credited against you, a hearing should be held where the recipient of the ticket has a chance to rebut the claim with their own evidence or defense strategies. Despite the number of tickets given out on any day, the system could still be efficient in its duty of providing accused persons with some semblance of due process. With the prevalence of technologies such as Zoom, no physical infrastructure would be needed to conduct these hearings. Furthermore, because the government does offer some opportunity to state your case, there must already be a procedure in place to deal with these situations. In its current state, parking bylaws allow frivolous ticketing that often is decided entirely by one person in a brief period of time. I believe that to comply with Article 11 of the Human Rights Declaration, city bylaws should reflect an individual's right to due process before issuing a verdict and subsequent penalty.